In this lesson, I will explain to you some features of the conditional formatting which is located in the styles group, right? But first of all, what you have to do, you have to select the data. So suppose I want to apply conditional formatting in this column. It is not necessary that you can apply formatting only on one column. You can apply to your data frame or two columns or three columns or rows, whatever you want. I am just showing you here in one column. So open this arrow. See, now we have different options: highlight cells, top, bottom, few things I will explain to you, and then remaining you have to do it, right? So first of all, we are going to start from highlight cells rule. When you will click here, you will see different options. If I will click on greater than, right, click here, greater than. So whatever number you will assign here, suppose if I will say I want the numbers of this column which is greater than 20,000, then you can see these cells are highlighted. And here it says light red fill. If you want to change the color, open this. This is yellow. If you want to make it yellow, if you want to make it different color, you can change the color from here. If it is okay, it is done, right? But I am going to show you more formatting. That is why I am going to clear the formatting. So again, this cell is selected. Go there, highlight cells, now less than. If you want that, I need the numbers which are less than 10,000. So see, in this data, in this column, only there are two numbers, and you can change the color from here. If you press OK, then it is permanent. I am going to cancel it, right? Because I want to show you some more functions. Open this again here, then between. In between, you will see we have two boxes. If I say I want the number between 25,000 to 30,000, right? I want to know the price of those vehicles which are between 25,000 to 30,000, because this is the sales data of the vehicles. Then see, only there are three vehicles, and again you can change the color from here. So simple it is, right? Conditional formatting. Open this, and then is equal to. If I say I want a car that is 30,000, this is the small data you can see very easily. If you have 1,000 rows, so what you have to do, it will be difficult, right? So if you want some particular amount, you can write down here. Only there is this 30,000. You can change the color from here, right? Okay, now is, what is the next one? So I can open appropriate text that contains. For text, you have to select the text column, right? And open this, highlight cells. This is the text that contains. Here it says Honda, right? If I will write down the complete word Honda, if you have 1,000 records, wherever it will find Honda, it will be highlighted. But it says, if suppose you do not know, or there are many different cars, right? Toyota, we have a Toyota as well, and we have some other Chrysler as well. If you want to know the cars that starts from N, only write down N. See here, sorry. If I will write down N here, it means format cells that contains the text. It does not mean that only Nissan starts with N, it comes. Honda, there is N in Honda and there is N in Nissan. That is why these two are highlighted, two different brands. If I say I need a car, right, which has word B, so write down B, BMW, right? That contains, if I say J, so for Jeep, and so on. So you can practice. If you want to write down the complete word, so only we have Jeep here, right? If you have some other cars as well which starts with J, if you will click here, it will highlight. Not only starts with J, if they have any letter, just like take the example of Nissan. See, Honda, there is N as well. I hope this is clear what I am trying to say, right? Okay, now is what is the next one? Next one is a date. So for date, I have made a date column. This is the date, right? Conditional formatting, here a date occurring. So it says yesterday by default. So this is yesterday, 17th of February. Today is 18th February. When I will click today, it is 18th, right? If I will say tomorrow, it will, this is tomorrow. If I will say, suppose last month, so we have only one date belongs to January, right? Similarly, if I say next week, so you can play with it. These are the next week color you can change from here, right? Okay, now I will show you that not only you can apply conditional formatting only on one column. I have selected three columns this time. Go there, and what is the last one? Duplicate values, right? You know what is the meaning of duplicate if it comes two times or three times. So see, these are the duplicate values. This is 100k, 100k, 30, 30, 24, 24, and so on. If you will open this, if I will say the unique values, so these are the unique values, and color you can change from here, right? So see, in conditional formatting, highlight cells, we did all from here to here. More rules I will explain to you in my next video, right? Okay, now move to the second one, top bottom. This is the top 10 items. So see, these are the top 10 items. If you want, you can increase or decrease the numbers. Now I'm going to show you this on the one column. Open this. Here I said top 10%. Now I'm not saying top 10, top 10%, right? Whatever data here. So the 10% is only 30,000. If you want to increase, you can increase from here to have top 30% or 20% and whatever, right? So the remaining are same bottom 10 items, or you can increase bottom 5 or bottom 3 and bottom 10%. There is a difference between 10% and the 10 items, so you can play with these two. I will show you the average, above average, right? So what it will do, it will take the average automatically and will let you know that these are the numbers which are above average, right? But first thing, you should know what is the average. So I will show you from here. Go to the auto sum average. Average of all these numbers are 18,800. I think you know what is the meaning of average, mean value, right? So now it will be easy to visualize. It is not necessary that you have to take first mean. Only I am showing you that from here above average. So see, these values are above 18,800. If you want below average, then what you have to do, this is below average, and see, these figures are less than 18,800. Okay, now here, this is your homework. More rules we will discuss later. Then come to the data bars. Data bars is very easy. It will give you the graph, just like a graph. Shaded graph, solid line, right? Whatever you want. So here, see, this is 30,000. So this is the big graph here, big data bar. Then is 28,000, 24, 26, and so on. So it works according to the size of the numbers data bars here. And now is, if I want undo, I do not want. And then is the color scales. Here see, these are the color scales. So what, these are different colors, and these are the same green but in different shades. This, whatever you like. What is the meaning of this? See, 30,000 is the highest, so it is green, and then 28,000, it is a little bit light green. This is a more less green, right? And so on. And these are the numbers less than or almost less than 10,000 and whatever. So you can pick the color scheme, color scale from here. And the last one is the icon set, right? First I will delete this formatting. Okay, icon set, and here are different icons. If you will pick this, whatever you want, right? If I say this one, it means that these are the highest number. See the green one, and these are the average number, and the red one is the lowest number. So again, it's up to you what icon set you prefer, this, or you want to show like this or this, whatever according to your choice. Same thing, Green circle is the highest one, this is the medium, and this is the lowest, right? Same formatting, if I say I'm going to apply here, I'm going to make a data bar here, so this is the data bar. Why I made this? To show you how you can clear the formatting. So here is the clear rules, new rules, and manage rules we will discuss later on. Clear rules. So clear rules from the selected cell. If you want to clear the rules, whatever we have made here for a one cell, you can click here. Clear rules from the entire sheet. So this is the entire sheet, and all rules, all formatting have gone. So I hope it is clear to you. Practice it. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.